First, start with your jambs. Install appropriate size girt clips where girts will intersect the jamb. Make sure to face the web side of the jamb towards the opening. Thus, you will attach the girt clips to the stiffener lips of the jamb. Once all clips are attached, you can raise the door jamb into position, ensuring the jamb is plumb and connected to the header girt and the concrete slab. For exact details of these connections, please see the engineering plans and installation manual. Before securing connections, double check that both jambs are plumb or door will not fit correctly. Once both jambs are correctly installed, the header can be installed. After installing a clip on each end of the header on the lip side, raise header to proper height and, ensuring the header is level, attach between the door jambs. Again, take extreme care that header is level and at correct height so door or window can be installed correctly. At this point, if installing a window, you can also install the window sill. Once all door framing is complete, install the remaining girts on your wall. After cutting girts to proper size, install girt to door jamb and nearest connection point. Make sure to comply with all requirements set forth by engineering plan. And if applicable, ensure that girts nest properly.